Work from home through professional blogging. If you think that blogging is simply one of the lot of ways how you can make money online, you're incorrect. Blogging is a cash-making world in itself. Earn money in numerous ways through blogging. Blogging is the way of the world right now. Sure enough, not just one, however, plenty of ways to make money was developed with the increase of blogging. Discover how to make cash through blogging and join the thousands who have actually chosen to work from home through professional blogging. We'll start with news release. If you have been in blogging industry for rather some time and have drawn in a rather large network of readers, what you compose in your blog will have a great effect on your readers. This would imply that your word matters to your readers, that you've now become an advertising medium in your own. This would also mean cash making opportunities as you work from home. Now, freelance blogging. Freelance blogging is another method to earn money as you work from home. Becoming a freelance blogger might take time, since you would have to make a credibility and build a credibility in the blogging world prior to your blogging service, will make an effect enough to make buyers interested in you. Advertising space. Blogging ad areas on your blog is an effortless and simple method to keep the money streaming in as you work from home. Make the most out of your website. The extra cash will make your work from home experience even better. Netpreneurship. Your blog is your area. You can do with it whatever you please. If you have some items up for sale, offer it through your blog site. You can publish photos, videos of whatever it is you're offering, and even develop your own advertisements. You never ever understand. Your blogging and netpreneurship efforts may just become a giant money-making online organization. Now that's a pretty fulfilling method to work from home. Blog site flipping. Now, if your blog is so reliable, you can even sell it. This venture is called a blog site flipping. You can make a lot of cash from blog site flipping. The more impact your blog makes, the more readers you have, the higher the worth of your blog is. There are a lot of other methods how to generate income through professional blogging. With all these chances, there is no excuse not to work from home through expert blogging. Even as you work from house, you can make your name understood worldwide wide web. A promotion definitely cannot beat that. Work from home now, and welcome to Blogsphere. Sure enough, not just one, but plenty of ways to make cash was produced with the same rise of blogging. Discover how to make cash through blogging and sign up with the thousands who have actually decided to work from home through professional blogging. End up being a freelance blog writer. Might take time due to the fact that you would have to earn trustworthiness and build credibility in the blogging world prior to your blogging services will make an impact enough to make buyers interested in you. As I said at the beginning, there are numerous other methods how to make money through expert blogging, through professional blogging. Even as you work from home, you can make your name known in the World Wide Web. I hope some of this video has given you a little bit of insight into the blogging world. Now, I'd just like to say at this point, underneath this video, I have my own YouTube channel, and that is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Within this channel, all my videos are about making money online and earning money from home. So once more, it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Go and have a look at it if you wish. If not, then please click the like button below and subscribe. If you want to see any more videos of mine, if you click the bell in the top, then click all, YouTube will send you a video as I do them. So it's Ian Jackson. Just saying, before you go any further, I'd like to recommend one program. If you're new to the internet and do a lot of blogging, or got your own website, or want to do videos, the program is Spin Rewriter. Now, Spin Rewriter I was using years ago, because as I trolled through the web and found something I liked, I used to copy it, paste it into Spin Rewriter, and it used to spin it, bring it back out, different lettering but same meanings, so you don't get any copywriting put against you. Now, Spin Rewriter last year sent me an invite to join for life. It was 195 or 197, I forget which now, but it was well worth it. I'm very pleased I did it, because now within the Life Members area you have a panel you can put keywords in. Anything you want to discuss, write about, or teach people about, you put your keywords in there, and Spin Rewriter will come up with 50 scripts that you can use safely. No messing about having to spin anything. It's already done for you. All scripts are personally yours. So Spin Rewriter will save you hours on the internet. Now, also underneath my videos, there are a lot of links. These links are all affiliated links. They're for programs I've joined over the years. I don't use all of them now, but I still use some of them. And the tools that I still use today, I've put the links underneath the video. Now, one odd one, which is Desktop Lightning. That's one of the best advertising programs I've ever joined. I just mention that so you probably get your eye down the page and see it. So they're all affiliated. So if you decide to join a program or purchase a tool, I get paid a small commission. This is the way the internet works. And just before we go, I would like to say, please do your research. Don't just jump in anywhere willy-nilly. Research is, go to Google, put in what you want to join, the program's name or the site name, and they will come up with hundreds of pages about that site or program, teaching you how they pay out, what sort of commissions they pay, what sort of advertising they got for you to use, things like that. Also, there is YouTube, which I use. YouTube, you put in how to start work from home, how to make money from home, work from home and make money, things like that, into YouTube, and they will come up with videos showing you how to do it. So once more, research. It's Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here. Please subscribe. Click on the like button below and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Hope you do, and glad to see you here. Come back sometime and see more. Cheerio.